Good morning students. Today we discussed about screen of Synfig Studio of lesson number 2 standard 11. Synfig Studio. Synfig Studio is a time-based multimedia authoring tool that falls in the category of open source. It can be downloaded from www.synfig.org. Synfig Studio is 2D vector animation software released in 2005 under the GNU GPL. It is available on various operating systems like Linux, Windows and Mac OS etc. The first version of Synfig was 0.61.05 and latest version is 0.63.05. Means Synfig is a time-based 2D and multimedia animation tool. It is an open source tool. Open source means it is freely available on internet. It have a source code available with executable file. If you can, it is download from synfig.org. It released in 2005 under the GNU GPL and available on Linux, Windows, Mac OS etc. operating system. The first version of Synfig is 0.6.05 and latest version is 0.63.05. Here you see the screen of Synfig that we discussed later. Synfig stores animation in XML file format obtained composed in the compression software gzip, which stands for GNU zip. The extension in uncompressed form is .sif and compressed form is .sifz. To start Synfig, in the menu bar, click Application, Graphics, Synfig. When it is opened, it divided in different windows. We can drag the windows to change the size. If you want to reset the Synfig Studio window to default window, click on Toolbox, File menu, Panels, Reset window to original layout. Means Synfig file stored in XML and compressed using gzip software. The extension of uncompressed form is .sif and compressed form is .sifz. When you want to open a Synfig in Linux operating system, click on Application, Graphics, Synfig. When it is opened, the windows divided in different parts. You can change the size of windows and change the place of windows. Here you see the picture of toolbox and that is divided in 3 parts that is described. Then we know about toolbox. Toolbox displays system menu and tools to draw object. When we close the toolbox, Synfig is also closed. Toolbox windows divided in 3 parts. The upper palette contains button for standard file operation. In the middle palette, tools displays to draw object and edit it. Means toolbox is a main part of Synfig. If you want to draw a picture, toolbox is very useful. If you close the toolbox, the Synfig is closed. Synfig window divided in the three parts. Upper parts displays button of file operation like open a new file, open a file, save a file, etc. Middle palette displays buttons of object drawing and edit it. For example, circle, rectangle, brush, etc. The lowest panel contains the default settings for new layers like foreground and background color. Means you can change the foreground and background color of your object. Brush size. You can change the size of your line which you draw with the help of brush. Blend method. You can set the blend method by layer default. Opacity. It contains the layer's visibility. Means 0 displays layer is invisible and 1 displays the layer is visible. Gradient. If you want to display a shaded background on your canvas or any object, gradient tool is used. Interpolation. Each waypoint has on interpolation settings which determines the number in which the parameters changes. Canvas. This is the place where you display your artwork and creating animation. The area with the gray checked board pattern is the working area. Left corner of the canvas window, you can see create a little black triangle. Clicking on this button, the canvas window menu will pop up, which allows access to most of the Synfig features. You can see the time bar on the screen. To the left, you can see the number of the current frame, and on the right side, 2 buttons to switch the animation status and to unlock the keyframe. Means canvas is used just like your drawing area. It displays with gray checkboard. A left top corner, it will display a black triangle button. That is current button, which allows access to most of the Synfig features. You can see the time bar on the screen. It displays a number of current frames in the left and switch the animation and unlock keyframe button in the right side. Panels. Synfig has different type of panels like layers, parameters, history, etc. Panels contains tools and information about certain elements of your project. Each dock dialog contains a set of panels. You can also drag and drop it. File panels option is used to open panels. Means panels displays tools and information about certain elements of your project. Sometimes it is closed and you want to open, click on File - Panel option. Let us discuss the function of some of the important panels. Layers panel. It displays the layers of your working canvas. It also allows you to manipulate these layers. Params panel. It shows the currently selected layers parameters. Tools option panel. It shows options that are specified to the currently selected tool. Navigator. It shows a thumbnail image of what the currently selected canvas looks like. History panel. It keeps track of all the action that are done while editing the file. The checkbox columns is used to disable specific action without going through the entire action list.